Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you my 3 fidgets, my new fidgets. So first, I got a squishy ball. This is how it sounds like. Isn't it satisfying? Okay, and then the second toy is this. I do like this. Do you hear the clacking sound? I can make like different moves. It's also like a puppet up here. And if you take off the legs, hold on. If you take off the legs, you can, it's also a fidget spinner. Okay, my last toy is this slime putty. So let me open it. Wait a minute. Okay, so I will open it. This is what it looks like on the inside. Let me take it out. So like you can strip this with the slime putty, and then you can also make a bubble by blowing it. Hold on, you can see me. Can you guys see me, guys? Okay, so all I had to do, I'm gonna try to make a bubble by blowing it. Wait a sec. Okay. It kind of broke. Let me try again. Bye.